Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhome in Fern. Well, we've arrived at Seadown Holiday Park at Charmouth, and this afternoon we're going to head down to the beach for a nice little beach walk with Skye. Hope you enjoyed the arrival vlog, and also we've also shot a drone flight from above the site now, so please do have a watch of those. So as I say, now we're going to give Skye a little bit of her time and down to the beach. Come with us. Right, so we're leaving the site. We're walking down this little grassy area by the little river. I don't know what the river's called, but it does, I think, flow into the sea. It's not a fast moving river, I can't see it moving, but it does say deep, and that's we're heading along here, and hopefully we'll find a gateway out of the Seadown Holiday Park. Probably I did say Sandown on my arrival vlog, everybody, my mistake. I did put a little bit of a text next to it saying Seadown, but as I say, it's a wonderful little site this, and that, so we're enjoying it so far, and we've only been here a couple of hours. So all this area you can use in the mornings for your dog walks, etc. As I say, lots of open space. We've got all these trees and everything, and that, so it'd be a great little spot if it gets too hot in the next few days, just to come and sit. Right, let's just go and have a quick look. Skye's saying, come on Dad, I want to go over there and have a look. She's very inquisitive, Skye. Just one thing we're doing, we're uploading these in HD quality. We are 4K, the file sizes are so big, and the internet is not terrific here for uploading, so we're going to do everything in 1080 HD. I don't think you'll notice it too much and that, but the quality will be just as good. So these are the ducks down by the lake, the river. We've got a few people fishing here as well, so there's obviously fishing here. I imagine you can do this being a site resident. Right, I want to know why always when I put the canopy out it starts to get windy every single time. I think when we get back we could be winding it in, one of the straps come loose already with a spring on it, but we'll see how it goes after this beach walk, everybody. Right, so we're approaching the end of the field area on the site, and there's a gate up here I believe to go through, and what I was told, it's dogs on left hand side of this bridge and not on the right, so it's dog restricted, and you can go in there later. She's found this lovely little spot and she wants to go in, but we'll find the beach. You got a car park there, main car park at Charmouth. I think you got the visitor centre down the bottom end. This is a River Char, it was. We're going to cross over the bridge. And as I say, it's quite blustery. As I say, I think we'll be taking that canopy in. It comes up and down like a yo-yo, it does, that canopy awning. The campsite is back in that direction. Alright, you've got some lovely hill walks over there in the distance. That goes over all the way to Golden Cap, I believe. This is a little bit of an info board. Skye, wait there. Alright, she'll be happy now. She's got the ball. If you pick up any wind, I'm really sorry everybody, we are trying to use the mic. Well, I can see Lyme Regis in the distance, the cob and everything. As I say, this is Charmouth. It's a lot more on a slope and a hill than I ever thought or remembered, and that, so As I say, the coastal path you have to use is right at that top there, and you go through the golf course. There was one near the cliffs, but apparently that dropped it into the sea a few years ago. So that's the way. You can go via the beach, but tomorrow morning I believe it's high tide, so we might be able to come back that way and that. Otherwise we could be doing a one-way journey on the bus and one-way walking, but we'll see tomorrow. Right, let's continue. We'll go to more of the beachy end, the far end. This looks a little bit rough, stony and everything. The waves are quite big as well today. As you can see, there's a good few people about today wandering. I can imagine it's going to get a little bit busier over the weekend and that. As I say, we normally don't like coming in the busy times, but sometimes you have to have a weekend in your holidays and that. But this is the main reason we avoid the school holidays. The precarious cliffs they are. I think yearly they're losing meters off those. They are eroding away. Definitely near West Bay where we were a couple of years ago, they're all falling in. They even closed the walk up above to the public, they did, so you couldn't fall down and that. But as I say, it's not very good. Now the coastline for, as I say, it must be climate doing it all. You would think everything drying out, wetting and that, but it's still wonderful to see. As you can see, she's not in a very playful mood at the moment. I think she's just finding her own way, exploring. She doesn't like it when it's busy and there's other dogs about. Skye doesn't, so we'll try and find some open space and let her have a little playtime. See if we can get the drone up as well. Probably stick the bigger Air 3 up because it's a little bit gusty and windy. We'll probably just about get it right here. 3 nights, 2 full days is possibly ample in a little small place like this. So Brixham, it was okay, but I think we could have done with a day less. Yesterday we were finding things to do. We probably repeated ourselves, as you will see in the videos, which have probably already aired by now. So the big hill in the distance, that is Golden Cap. The other side of that is Seadown, which we'd done the coastal park to Seadown a few years ago from West Bay. So once we get clear of here, we can probably throw the ball into the water, into the sea for Skye. If you like our beach coverage and beach walks, do give us a thumbs up, everybody. Leave a comment. Tell me whether you ever been to Charmouth before. As I say, it's probably been about 10 years since I last come. We stayed in a lodge somewhere near Lyme Regis and we had a little couple of hour visit here. That's how I remember it. Anyway, she's not playing ball at the moment, she's not dropping it. Are we going to play ball, Skye? Looks like there's some people up there on the top there, or lower down near the hill. They'll be fossil hunting, they will. As you know, it's the Jurassic coastline, so we've got all the fossils here. That's why the museum's at the far end of the beach. Oh, she might drop it. Oh, good girl. We'll spin you around. You see Lime Regis from the distance, Charmouth there. And you can just about make out how that hillside is just dropped in different layers. This will probably be our first walk for the next couple of mornings. It will be, and oh, she's dropped the ball. You can probably see she's not quite so energetic as she was 12, 18 months ago. So she's 10 now, or she was 10 yesterday, Thursday the 26th, and I really feel she is slowing down again. Sometimes she's got that energy and sometimes she's just a little bit lethargic. There it is. There's the coastline, the hillside. We're going to get wet feet in a minute, which I just got a little bit of a wet foot, but slowly wander. Now, see, there's that other dog now, you see, and what puts her off. Look at it. Well, we'll just go a little bit further and then we'll come back on ourselves. We've got the whole weekend to have some more walks. Bring the ball. Come on then, let's go back to the van. Come on.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Well, we're slowly making our way back, everyone. Anyway, everybody, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, Ian and Skye Motorhome in Fun. Right, we've got to find the bridge now. Right, I want to head back now, see how that canopy is. I'm a little bit worried that it'd be flapping and that. I want to get it down now, everyone. Right, over the bridge, back into the campsite. Right, gateway on the right. Right, it was really windy there and gusty. Just hoping it's not so bad. Just inland on this campsite. Right, I think that's it, everybody. Thank you very much if you made it to the end of this little beach vlog with Skye. I do appreciate you watching, everybody. As I say, more to come tomorrow. We'll decide what we do in the morning, where we go and what we do. So it's thanks from Ian, it's thanks from Skye, and we'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Right, we made it back. You can see the canopy is okay as far as I can see at the moment, but if it gets any windier, I think we're going to take it down. So thank you, everybody, and we'll see you all soon.